Greetings, adventurers. We are here at Lake Claiborne State Park, Louisiana, and we're going to do the Whitetail Trail. So Lake Claiborne State Park is a really new state park. It was founded or established in 2010. This is about 15 years old. Lake Claiborne is a man-made lake by a dam they built. Claiborne Dam made Lake Claiborne, and this state park is established on that lake. So I think I just realized this course here, this disc golf course, is the trail. So I just passed, I was at 4, and then that was hole 5. And then this is the Whitetail Trail. And I just realized that the disc golf course is called the Whitetail course. I'm starting to see what people are talking about. So the trail came through here, and I questioned whether or not that was the trail, because after I got through here, there was no trail behind me. But if you look at the All Trails app, I am right on the trail. Now I know what those people were talking about. Very poorly marked. Oh, here's a mark. And there's one too. So there are markings. You just really gotta keep an eye open. I also see evidence of controlled burns. All these trees are burned at the bottom. Alright, well, I was following what I thought was the trail, and then I looked at the map, and the trail was way off that way. So now I'm trying to find the trail. It looks like it's right here. Found it. Here's the trail. What is this thing? Big spider web. Where's the spider? White blaze. We're on trail. Alrighty, passing hole 26. This place has got a lot of disc golf baskets. I don't know how you get, okay, because now this one's 16. How do you get from 16 to 26? Interesting. Just a quick little lesson. For those of you who don't know what disc golf is. Disc golf is just like regular golf, but instead of using a ball and a club, you use a frisbee. It's kind of a special, a harder frisbee. And then you try to, instead of a hole, you have baskets like this. When the frisbee hits these chains, it stops and falls into the basket. Disc golf. It's kind of fun. Done it quite a few times. It's a good time. All right. After a nice long walk down this open path here, the Whitetail Trail turns off here. All right, look at this. What a beautiful lake. Sorry, I grabbed some lunch. Made myself a sandwich. This is a really beautiful park, and it actually looks like they put a lot of work into this park, except for the hiking trails. The beach looks nicely groomed and everything. All these, they have gazebos up and down with picnic tables and stuff, or gazebo, I don't know what you call them, little shelters, gazebos. I don't know what this thing is. These almost look like anchors for a post of some sort, so maybe they put a big tent here at some time. But yeah, these are just big giant metal things that look like they hold some kind of pole, but I don't know why one end is open. But I don't know if any of you guys know what this thing is for, or what it's, what it does. Let me know in the comments. There's 4 on one side and 4 on the other. So there's 8 of them all together. There's a kids hiking trail over there. There's barbecues. Barbecues all over in here. Nicely groomed beach has benches all along it. There's plenty of parking. What a great place. But I actually forgot about something else. Before we end this video, I gotta show you one more thing. Let's go. right. Well, this is actually really cool. I've never seen a spillway quite like that. It's just like a giant funnel at the water's level, and if the water rises, it'll go flow into the thing. And then it comes out down there. Which is kind of cool how they designed that. Looks like a bird cage. Awesome. The state park should be over here somewhere. Pretty awesome. So this dam here was built in 1963. 1963 to 1965. And the water, in 1966, the gates were closed and the lake started filling, and it took 2 years for the lake to fill up. 1968. That was the first water that flew into the spillway. Awesome. So before this was all swamp. This was a swamp by the name I cannot pronounce. Some French de Yong Yong. I don't know. Some French name. Awesome. Well, I wish Claiborne State Park had a little more maintenance in their trails, because now I see why there's nobody hanging out there. Because if their trails are like that, then I wouldn't want to hike there either. But this dam was pretty cool. It was a beautiful day. I had a lot of fun. My second video in Louisiana. Well, thank you everyone for coming with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Helps me out. And I will see you next Monday right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.